Right, we've let our artichokes marinate for a little while. We're just going to dump them right here into our water. And while we're waiting for those to boil up, I'm going to take our asparagus. We're going to line up our tips. And then we're going to cut off the back part so that we have nice uniform. And we're going to take our butter and we'll just grease our tray here. Now our artichokes are pretty soft as they are, so we'll just drain these